आप सभी को मेरा नमस्कार। पार्ट 11 सीरियल नंबर
2 सेकंड रुकिए, फिर से बोलिए। हाँ, 2 सेकंड रुकिए, फिर से बोलिए ना।
आप सभी को मेरा नमस्कार। पार्ट 11 सीरियल नंबर 251 to 275 on motivational sentences, quotations and maxims. Myself is Dheeraj Kumar Singh, practicing advocate of Allahabad High Court. Part 1 to 10 have already been made and I hope that you will have listened to those videos. Let us start part 11 from serial number 251 to 275. 251. When you develop the ability to listen to negative comments without losing temper or confidence, it means you have become mature and truly educated. 252. In life, when you get troubles, don't get nervous. Just close your eyes and follow your hearts, because heart may be in left, but it is always right. 253. Relation and medicine play the same role in our life. Both care for us in pain. The only difference is that relationship has no expiry date. 254. Speak only when your words are more powerful than the silence. 255. We mature with the damage, not with the years. 256. Truth is always like oil in water. No matter how much water you add, oil always floats on top. Always believe in truth. 257. Money may not buy happiness, but it is better to cry in Lamborghini. 258. Luck is not in your hands, but decision in your hands. Luck cannot make your decision, but your decision can make luck. 259. Smile indicates the sweetness of heart, and calmness indicates the maturity of mind. Having both in challenging situations makes you human. 260. Always have a successful exit than a favorable entrance, because what matters is not being clapped when we arrived, but being remembered when we leave. 261. Good name is better than good face. 262. A person who walks with legs reaches his destination, but a person who walks with his brain reaches his destiny. 263. Fight with yourself. Why fight with external foes? He who conquers himself through himself will obtain happiness. 264. Enjoy the little things in life, for one day you will look back and realize they were the big things. 265. Happiness keeps you sweet. Trials keep you strong. Sorrows keeps you human. Failure keeps you humble. Success keeps you glowing, but only faith keeps you going. 266. 5 undeniable facts of life. First, don't educate your children to be rich. Educate them to be happy. So, when they grow up, they will know the value of things, not the price. 267. Eat your food as your medicines. Otherwise, you have to eat medicines as your food. 268. The one who loves you will never leave you, because even if there are 100 reasons to give up, he will find one reason to hold on. 269. You are loved when you are born. You will be loved when you die. In between, you have to manage. 270. There is a lot of difference between human being and being human. Who understands it? 271. Nice line from Ratan Tata's lecture. If you want to walk fast, walk alone. But you want to walk far, walk together. 272. 6 best doctors in the world: sunlight, rest, exercise, diet, self-confidence, and friends. Maintain them in all stages of life and enjoy healthy life. 273. If you see the moon, you see the beauty of God. If you see the sun, you see the power of God. And if you see the mirror, you see the best creation of God. So believe in yourself. 274. We all are tourists and God is our travel agent who already fixed all our routes, reservations and destinations. So trust him and enjoy the trip called life. 275. Bloom where you are planted. Mother Teresa. If you have not subscribed my channel so far, I humbly request you to subscribe my channel and like and share it with others so that I can get inspiration and motivation to make more videos and others may also take benefit thereof. Thank you for watching my video patiently and attentively.